I didn't see anything about an email. Did you guys?
I haven't either, and I've been checking it all day.
Oh, bye.
Either.
Okay. Yeah, because I think we're supposed to be doing the third section of it this weekend. So.
All right.
Bless you.
Maybe we should just get it done. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. You would think it wouldn't be that hard to respond to that email, but I don't know how many emails he's getting a day.
Quite a few.
This lesson looks like it's going to be fun.
I love your enthusiasm.
Response variable.
So it looks like we're going to use the same inference procedure again.
Let's see. I don't remember there being an additional tab for us to use.
After linear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remembered one more, but I don't remember what it was called. I can't even pull up my spreadsheet.
Ooh. Yeah, you're right. There's no other tab.
Oh, no. Yeah, no, it was just the one saying what version it is. Disregard.
Are we sure it's not the linear regression as well?
Could be.
I'm thinking it is.
Yeah. Well, it better be.
Right.
Oh, yeah. It says cut a linear regression. So we're good.
Well, it gives a prediction interval for y. But it doesn't, I guess we got to figure out what the prediction interval is. How to solve for y.
All right. So
B0 is a y-intercept. Easy enough. Yeah, it's right there. It gives it to us.
y-intercept is 0.
I have 1.3, 1.296. Maybe I'm not. Oh, you know what? I'm working ahead. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So it's 2, right?
So what exactly? So are we supposed to be taking the female?
I think the answer is 2, 2.0.
What
Are
are
you,
your thoughts?
are you guys putting in the so with the linear? You got the two variables. Are you putting in the female score versus the male score, or the female confidence mean?
We don't need that for question 3.
What we don't. Well,
Yeah, we'll need that one starting on question 6. That's what I was doing as well. For question 3, we just have to solve. We just have to say what is the y-intercept, which is the 0, which would be 2.0.
Yeah.
The slope is the next one, which is 1.5.
Section back to algebra days.
Yeah. So x equals 16. So we'd go.
Solve for y, right?
Yeah.
Was that 1?
Step 1.
Yeah.
what is one?
Number 5. Alright, so now we use math efficacy.
Well, hey, now I'm ready for this.
Okay. Make a scatter plot of the math efficacy data of the 3 data shapes introduced in the rating. Which shape best describes these data?
I think it's going to be the hot dog shape based on the reading, from the pictures in the reading. Got the pictures on section 3 of manatee powerboats.
That's section 3.
Yes, it's right under the manatees and powerboats, I think is what it was.
Oh yeah, I would agree. I would agree with that. Hot dog.
It definitely doesn't look like the banana. That's the only one I was thinking it might have been.
Yeah. What can you say about the appropriateness of using sample linear regression? I'd say it is appropriate. I'd say it's A.
How did you come up with that? I'm not doubting that answer. I'm just don't know how you got to it.
If you remember in the last lesson, we were doing linear progressions. And since R is closer to 1 than it is to 0,
Okay, that's right.
I would say it is a linear progression.
Okay, because it's trending upward, not downward.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a question about 6 though. You guys said it was hot dog, but my chart looks nothing like either any of those 3 options. I made sure that I put in the score column as my response variable, and my confidence is my exploratory. It doesn't come up even close to any kind of shape.
Wait.
You put what as your?
Hold on.
I put confidence as a response variable.
I wonder if I have bad data first. Hold on, let me make sure everything's cleared out.
Yeah, but
Mine doesn't look exactly like those pictures, but it's the closest to
close.
that.
No, I still had some previous data on there. I cleared it out. We're good.
Okay.
How many observations are in the data?
Okay, how many observations are in the data? It would be. Is that 139?
That's
That's
what I did, but I don't know if that's correct or not.
I would think so.
It's either 139 or maybe it's double that. I don't know.
Yeah.
What is the y-intercept? 1.296?
Yep. Slope is 0.042.
Yep.
Where are you getting those numbers from?
It's in the spreadsheet. Middle box there.
The predicted value, I got 1.462.
Is for, oh yeah, because you're gonna do that equation, right?
So once again, where are you getting the y-intercept? I mean, I see where it says model y-intercept.
Yeah, then it's B. B is your Y.
And you guys got a 1.296?
Yeah.
Holy smokes. What do I do?
Try entering the data again.
Yeah, maybe. I have 18.69.
Yeah, you need to enter the data again. I would clear it all out. You probably have some residual in there somehow, or I don't know.
All right, let's try this again.
Start fresh. And then you said for 11 you had 1.464?
Yeah, but I'm not sure that that's right. I had 1.462.
Oh,
But I think I'm in the confidence and predict. Well, no, I'm in the confidence and predictions. So all I did was change that input cell to. It was at 6. I changed it to 4.
oh, okay.
But I don't know that that's right.
Oh, I see where, yeah.
No, I came up with the exact same number I had before.
Really? So Alex, on that number 11, I just did the equation 1.296 plus 0.042 times 4.
Uh-huh.
And I got the 1.464. But 1.462 is so close that I'm sure we're on the track there.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect.
So I'll go with 1.462 since that's what the worksheet says.
Okay.
Did you try opening up a whole new sheet from the
No, but that's what I'm going to have to do next year. That's what I'm trying to do is get back to the reading so I can find it and
Yeah,
that.
that's what I would do.
And I don't know what it is. It seems to be like that. It seems like every time I open one, all of a sudden I have to open a new one because the old one doesn't work, which is silly because they're all the exact same. I thought so.
Yeah, I never.
Yeah, what I do is when I close it out and it asks if I want to save, I always just click don't save. So it always just
Yeah,
blank.
same with me. That's what I do. Because otherwise, I get screwed up for some reason.
Maybe that's what it is that I'm doing wrong. All right, so let's get rid of that. Don't save. So you guys saved it as a blank, clean sheet.
I don't even save it. I just go to my downloads
Uh-huh.
and then reopen it from there.
Yeah, or just open a whole new one from the download. Let's.
Okay, I see. All right, let's see here. Let's do this one more time.
So from 12, I think it's asking us just what it is for 6 because that's a maximum.
Yeah, that's what I would guess as well. So I'm guessing it would be. We just put a 6 in there, right? For
Yeah.
the X. And they're asking for maximum predicted value of Y.
So 2.907.
When I put 6 in the X, I'm getting 1.546.
Yeah, but then go all the way to over, and it's the prediction interval for Y.
Prediction.
I think that 2.907 is going to be your high. So if you were at 6, it'd be at 2.907. And if you're
Okay, I see. I think you guys put the information in the wrong columns to begin with
oh,
because darn thing, go away. So because it's basically switched. So if you look at what it says on number 6, right, for the reading, question number 6, just above it says, oh, come on, pop up, go away. For the next 7 questions, use the data from the Excel spreadsheet. Be sure to use the confidence data, which is the right column, for the explanatory variable, which is the left column, to paste it into the spreadsheet. And then take the score, which is on that math self-efficiency or efficacy. That's the left column, but it wants you to put it in the response, which is the right column.
Where does it say to do that?
If you look at question 6, right above it, it's the directions right above it, right above where it says question 6, 1 point.
Oh, confidence data for the explanatory values. Yeah, it does say that.
yeah. So all our answers are wrong.
All right.
Good catch, Kelly.
Yeah. Sorry you guys went through all that effort. That's why it wasn't making sense to me why it wasn't coming out right. But now I understand better.
I don't know.
So confidence interval goes in.
But yeah, so basically you swap them. So the confidence is on the right and the score's on the left. You want the confidence that's on the right. You want that to be in the left column, and the score, which is in the left column, you want to put in the right column. You want to swap them.
That's interesting to me because
Usually it's pretty straightforward and just copy and paste.
yeah, because the confidence rating seems like a response rather than because they're responding to how they felt about the question.
Okay,
But
so it still looks like a hot dog shape.
yeah, I'd still stick with hot dog shape.
It still looks like it's simple linear regression. It still looks like 139. Y-intercept is going to change to 18.690.
Right, and that's what I got originally.
12.695. Your slope. So predicted value of 4 is 69.
So the slope, that's also in that first one there, that 12.695.
Yeah, that's your slope.
And then predicted value when x is 4. Do you guys get 69.469?
Yeah.
I don't have the equation, so but if both of you guys got it, I trust it.
It should just be,
Yeah, there's an input cell that you can put right there underneath X.
yeah. Stick a 4 in there, and then it right next to that is predicted.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yep, that's what I got.
And then I'm pretty sure that if you change that back to a 6, if you go all the way to the right-hand side of that table,
Mm-hmm.
that prediction interval for Y, I think that 117 is going to be your 6. If X equals 6, Y is going to be 117.
Yeah, it is 117.445.
And if you
Oh,
were
I
to
got
use
you.
1, I think it'd be 72 point. I guess we can verify that.
So for number 12, you would put 117.445.
I think so. I don't know. That's what I'm guessing.
Okay. How many explanatory variables are present in simple linear regression?
Um, trying to read about 13 and 14.
Do you see that anywhere?
There's lots of independent words. I'm trying to make heads or tails.
Yeah, I looked up just explanatory, and that came up with 4 examples. But and it talks about it, but doesn't really go into depth enough, I don't think.
Hmm. I think there's just 1 and 1.
That's what I'm thinking, because there's, well, it's how the findings interact with themselves, or the study, I should say, interact with themselves. Like at the very bottom, under number 6, summary, it
Uh-huh.
talks about the independent variables and how they're not affected by the other variable. So if we got these two columns of variables and they're not affected by each other, then they're independent. But you get a dependent variable by having one having some kind of relationship to the other.
Right.
So I don't.
My guess would be 1 and 1. And then if that's not it, I would go more than 2.
I like it.
I don't know if I'd go more than 2. I think because there's only 2 variables, aren't there? If it's just the confidence rating mean and the score.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If it's not 1 and 1, then I'd go more than 2, because 2 just doesn't make sense to me at all.
We'll give her a shot and go from there.
Yeah.
We got enough chances, we can get it.
Yeah. Company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in mining. Version of all hats. Collect. Hmm.
Oh, I would say either A or B.
The response variable I want to say is the circumference.
Yeah. Which is the dependent?
I would say circumference is dependent on size. Where is that? Hmm.
Hmm. I think we just have to go for it. And
Meaning the company wants to predict the size of the hat.
Right. I think it's circumference, because it's going to depend on the circumference, because it is being used to predict the size of the hat.
Oh, because size is the variable. Yeah, size is the variable being predicted, right? So it would be A.
Right. The size of the hat is variable.
Yeah. Because you're predicting the dependent, not the independent.
Right.
So since they're predicting the size of the hat, I would go with A. Yeah. All right. Should I submit tonight?
Sure.
that'd be great.
All right. Let's see how we did. So far, so good. Oh, we missed 12. So 12, I'm guessing, is going to be 94.859.
Yeah, drop it down. Yeah. 91 point what?
Well, I'm guessing it's going to be 94.859 for 12.
Okay.
How do you get that?
Instead of going for,
Value.
that's the predicted value, yeah.
Did we get everything else right?
Yep.
Wow.
Nice. How do you come to the conclusion that it might be 94 point something?
That's the predicted value in the Excel spreadsheet.
And that is correct.
For how many?
All right.
What's number 6? If your X is 6,
Yeah.
then the very next table over is predicted. It should say 94 point.
Oh, I see. I was still looking at the far right. I gotcha. So for right now, that's kind of what we need to focus on is just basically that first column, the y-intercept, the slope, and then the predicted for x.
Yeah. Looks like it. All right, so is everyone good on that?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sounds good. I just need to figure out the group project and we're good.
Yeah. Have we followed up with him at all? Has anybody sent another email out saying, "Hey, Brother Bennett, what's up?"
I can do that.
Yeah, just say reply all to my email and you can go ahead and do that.
Yeah. And then that way we all get it and have it. Honestly, I think we just move forward with it and at least put some effort in because I don't want to get too behind on a project when, finals are coming up in 2 weeks.
Yeah. If you want, I'll work on section 2 this weekend. And does section 3 depend on section 2 or does that work?
I haven't looked at it. I think it does, but I don't know how much it correlates.
I'll try to get section 2 done and I'll get it to you. I'll send it out to you guys on by Friday so you can take a look at section 3.
Okay, and then as far as the this quiz is concerned, you got all the answers you need, Nate?
Oh yeah, I do. Thanks.
Awesome.
So, do you guys want to meet on Friday or Saturday to do it, or what do we want to do there?
Yeah, we could meet briefly.
Yeah, Nate, you're the one that kind of seems a little bit more restricted in the evenings. Is there a time that works for you that's best for either of those nights?
I don't know if I've got anything going yet, but I usually early evening works, like 7. 7 worked fine. So
Okay.
Friday.
For like Friday or Saturday, is there a certain night that works better?
let's shoot for Friday.
Okay, I'll put on this email that we're planning on meeting again at 7:00 Mountain Standard Time to move on unless we hear different from him.
Yeah, and that'd be good just to let him know, like, hey, we're not trying to go around him. We're just letting him know we can't wait for him to get back to us.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, I will do that.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
All right, thanks, guys.
I'll post a link, man. All right, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
All right. We'll see ya.